Hi guys, good morning to you all and welcome back to Authentic Crypto. So this is how to perform the Pulse latest task, easy peasy without wasting much of your time. Okay, so once you open your Pulse dashboard, you guys know where we get the task under the end section. You head over to the end section, then the Pulse task is under limited. Okay, so once you are here already, all you have to do is just to hit on start button, as simple as that. Then you open it through Chrome. I think it will be more better that way. You wait for them to bring it up. Let's go. Wait for them to bring it up. Okay, so this is your dashboard in the website, so you can still open this particular button right here to see if all your wallets are properly connected. You can see that my wallets are properly connected. Okay, so this is just your dashboard in the Pulse website. So once you are here already, the next thing you have to do, that is just by the way guys, so once you are here, you click on that three dotted line over there. You click on it, then you see this particular one that says add to home screen. Okay, then you click on add to home screen. Just click on add, no write anything, no remove anything, just click on add. Okay, simple as that. Now we've already added it to our home screen, so the next thing we have to do is just to minimize everything. Just minimize everything and come to your home screen. Okay, so once you're on your home screen, I don't say you should scroll to your app, so you're not going to see it here. Just make sure you're on your home screen, then start sliding side by side, and you will see pause right here because that was the last thing that we just added. Okay, then you click on pause like this. You proceed. Now you are proceeding with what you added your home screen. Then you click on verify yourself, then you locate the Telegram that you want to verify. So don't do mistake. For those of you guys that really have multiple accounts, you have to be very careful about this. And you will see boom, account verified. Okay, they say we should continue in website, but we are not doing anything in the website. Okay, so once you get your account verified, the next thing is just to still minimize everything, then head back to your Telegram and collect your reward. Okay, it's as simple as that. So let's wait for it to come up. Then you open your pause. Open your pause, open your pause, open your pause. It's coming up, it's coming up. Then you head back to the end section again and you will see boom, claim. The claim button is already activated and you just hit on claim right here and you have already received your 5,000 pulse points. Okay, and for this second one, if you click on it, you will see that it's not clickable, right? So what this second task really means is that if Twitter can be able to unban the account, so you guys know that Pulse X account, Twitter account was banned. Okay, so what this really entails is that if Twitter can be able to unban the account within this stipulated time frame. So if you take a look at the countdown right here, we have like 11 hours, few minutes and few seconds. So if Twitter can be able to unban the account within this stipulated time frame, they are going to share 1 million pulse points to everybody, in which I don't really see as something feasible, right? It's not that really possible, though everything is possible, to be honest, but it's not that really feasible. So just collect your 5k pulse points and leave the rest for them. It's as simple as that. Okay, so this is just how to perform the task, and for everybody that have multiple accounts, this is how you should go about it. After you've performed on your first account, all you have to do is just to slide out and remove this particular one you added in your home screen. Just long press it and you see remove right here. You remove it, then you go to the Telegram, the next Telegram where you want to perform it, then you still repeat the whole process afresh again. Okay, that is just how to do the task and claim your points. All right, so thank you guys for watching. If you really found value right here, do well to smash that thumbs up button, and if this is your first time coming across our channel, do well to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, comment on this post, and also share it so that everybody will know how to go about this. Till I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your Sunday and bye for now.